Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we're going to be looking at asking statistical questions. So, a statistical question has answers that will vary. An example of a statistical question is, how old are the students in my school? Because you can have a variety of answers from people. But if it was, how old am I? Well, you're only going to have one age, so it only has one answer, so it's not statistical. So here we have some questions, and you're going to determine if these are statistical or not. And that's all you're going to write, statistical or not. We got to make sure we write statistical correctly because it is spelled a bunch of times on this paper. So, number 1, how tall are the students in my class? Well, we're not asking how tall a student is, we're asking the students. So this would be statistical because there's going to be more than one answer. So we write statistical. Okay, now let's look at this one. What does this apple cost? This apple implies one apple, and that apple will only have one price, so this is not a statistical question because there would only be one answer for this one. Okay, let's look at number 2. What grades did students score on a test? So we're looking at one test, but we're looking at many students with that test. So this would also be statistical. A lot of T's and I's in this one, and S's. Okay, and luckily if you're doing this on the computer, you'll get that red line if you spell it wrong, and so you can right click and then spell it right. Okay, the last one we're going to do is, how fast can dogs run 100 yards? This would be a statistical question. The reason why it is a statistical question is because it's asking about various dogs. Yes, it's only asking about 100 yards, but it's asking various dogs can run faster. So a way this one can be considered not a statistical question is like, how fast can my dog run 100 yards? That would not be statistical. Same with this one. What grade did I get on the test? Or how tall am I compared to my class? Or something like that. How tall am I? And this, how to make it statistical is, what do apples cost? Not this apples, but apples in general. So something to think about is basically, am I looking at one thing or am I looking at many things? And that's how it can kind of help you determine if it's statistical or not. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll see you guys next time.